Hey everyone, it's Jen Bucci from Home Pro Match. Today I will be talking about how to spot foundation issues in your home. Here are 5 areas you can check. Spot number 1, outside. One of the first places to check for foundation issues is from the outside of your home. Notice any unusual cracks, dents, or gaps around your foundation. Even if you notice something small, you should seek immediate help before the issue becomes worse. Spot number 2, your basement. Does your basement have water issues? Pooling water and water leaks can mean there is a gap or crack in your foundation. Make sure to check all possible signs of water issues, including pooling water, mold, mildew, and rotting wood. Spot number 3, your chimney. If you notice your chimney starting to separate from the rest of your home, this could mean that your foundation is sinking or rising. Most chimneys are set on a different foundation from the rest of your home, which means your chimney should not settle or lift. If this is happening in your home, this is a major foundation issue that should seek immediate attention. Spot number 4, your walls and ceilings. Early signs of foundation issues could be cracks near door and window frames, along with gaps in your ceiling. Make sure to check all areas of your home for these signs. Spot number 5, your floors. Sagging and uneven floors can be an obvious sign of foundation issues that get worse over time. Luckily, these issues can be fixed by an expert. If you spot any unusual issues with your home's foundation, make sure to reach out to your local foundation repair contractor. An expert will be able to examine all possible issues and give you an accurate estimate for repairs. Visit homepromatch.com today to find your local contractor. Thanks for watching.